Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my sister is getting her new refrigerator delivered. So we're going to be moving this out. It's got a towel under it because it leaks, and the little door on the side is like broken, so stuff keeps falling out. So everybody's really excited to get this new fridge today. So we're going to clean it out and get everything moved and rearranged, and she's going to paint the wall behind there so that it matches, and we're really excited to get this going. So let's get started. Also, a little bit of a heads up, my sister and I tend to get a little bit of witty banter going when we're together, so there's quite a bit of it in this video. You can't hear all of it, but you can see just kind of how we toss it back and forth, and there's a little bit of the conversation that I did leave in because it was just so funny. I don't know if it's funny to everybody else, but to us, it was just a really great time. So, yeah, I'm going to start by cleaning out under the fridge, which hasn't been moved in I don't know how long, but it was super easy. I just sprayed it down with some thieves cleaner, and it came right up, and then I vacuumed, and then when we moved this chest on the side here, there was something very questionable that turned out to just be dust and ribbon, because it was very creepy at the time. So I'm going to let you guys listen to some music and watch us get this new fridge installed.
Sure will. The only thing is will we be able to...
What is that? What is that? Is that something broken? What is that? Is that like an eyeball?
It looks man-made. I'll get you there. As to what it really is, I couldn't tell you. You yell at it, sir. Get out of here, Chester. Oh dear.
Yeah, it's got a little shim here. So I don't know if you'll need that over there.
Probably. No, it's a ribbon.
Oh, well, damn. And my...
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Although I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitments of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you.
I'll take the food in there too. It's about dinner time.
Clear it out.
quick. Okay.
I'll be there if you reach out to me.
Oh, I hope that would fit, but it didn't. Mason, where's the babe?
He's in the stroller. At least he can't escape it. He starts throwing it down. Crocodile. Sure.
This will keep them entertained.
Sure, they can do it. Meme. Did you really just close the baby out there?
That's because the door wouldn't close.
That's because. That's why. What? Oh, the screen.
The door didn't
The
close.
screen will close. Oh, you took out the thingy, didn't you?
Yeah, I took out the clip.
Luckily, the fridge is pretty good. That was the point.
Oh, but
Can I come in?
Where's Zachary?
Outside?
Later when I ask you about the food and all what.
Still outside.
How's it look like?
Still outside.
She's outside. She's all alone.
Yeah. Can I come in?
Hang on. The last can of cool.
Awesome. No more snacks. No more I step on her toe. This is so cool. Oh my god. Want to open it? Can we open this?
1, 2, 3.
Can we open this? Can we open the fridge?
Yeah. Ah.
Let's set it. Set it.
And the nail went back.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted together. how you turned everything around. I will always remember it, how you got me off the battleground, how you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted.
So after we finished peeling the layer of sticky tape off, we were finally all set, and this is how it turned out. We are extremely happy with the size of the refrigerator. It holds so much stuff, and we need to get the water hooked up to it so we can have the ice maker and obviously the water come out of the fridge. And then the next day we went and picked up our Walmart order and filled it. We wanted to make sure it was nice and empty so that the food that was in there in the old fridge didn't go bad or melt or whatever. So the next morning we went and picked up the Walmart order, and you'll see that next. I didn't videotape it, so it's just still shots. But thank you guys so much for watching with me, and I hope you enjoyed the cleaning process, and make sure you subscribe and like for future updates.